Hey, Flux here, and today I'll be checking out Overte. Now, this was recommended to me in one of the comments on my Somnium video, so let's get right into that. Just like for Somnium, I have not looked at any information regarding to this. It's already nice that even though I have my full body trackers on right now, they're not actually being mapped to anything yet, so I can just walk around normally before needing to calibrate. Well, let's see if we can figure out how to calibrate full body. More. Radiometer, domain, radar, refresh. Actually, let's just click onto this. Ooh, I mean, it's a pretty reduced keyboard, but it seems relatively nice. Let's see. Oh, okay, so you press it in, you don't click it. Calibration, full body tracking. There we go. Install. This has a short button in your tablet to open up the full body tracking on things. Okay. Calibrate. Okay. Calibration. Yeah. Oculus HMD. Controllers. Yeah. It even has an option for using the tracker on my head as the actual head instead. That's actually really neat. Additional trackers. We have feet and we have hips right now. We're not using my chest controller. So apply and calibrate. Please send an T-poser. Okay. Ooh. Oh, that is actually really nice. Like, genuinely, that is a really neat calibration process. Now, this is obviously a lot more like in-depth looking, where it might be a bit, you know, hard for like a new person that isn't as tech savvy to find how to get here in the first place. But all it needs is just a spec down version of this that is always available, that you don't need to like first install like the quick menu for this. But like, no, this is neat. You can also change the delay here so you have more time to T-pose. You could use the device in desktop mode too. And I don't know how I can see myself. Is there a mirror somewhere here? Let's go into more again and see if it's literally as easy. Oh wait, get into double of your avatar that only you can. Yeah, no, this is actually what I want. Install. So far, this is genuinely like, with this like little like app layout for like all of the menuing, that is actually really cool idea. Is it on the next page now? Yeah, there, mirror. Let's look at avatars. Let's see. Avatar. Let's try this Sean, dude. Okay, so this does get rid of our mirror, because it's just a duplicate of us, I assume. So we need to respawn out our duplicate. Oh god. Yeah. It is, okay, so in front, yeah, that is a bit, I assume they don't have just like direct OSC support or something like that for face tracking yet, unless, let's just quickly search for that. So like, oh, not a V. OSC. And then just, again, like, face. A desktop mode face tracking application. Okay, so this is desktop mode face tracking. You know, reading helps. Reading helps. You know, it's not all, like, the app's fault. Sometimes I'm just not good at reading. So let's swap back to Woody. Switch your favorite Woody. This will switch your accurate avatar and the wearables that you're wearing. You have the wearable. Yeah. Yes. Yes, I want to. Mason, cancel. What? So. Well, I am no longer able to switch avatar. Which, you know, I guess I'm this dude now. Alright, so that's avatar setup. There's emotes also. Surprised. Okay, so they're basically like VR chat animations, like the old default ones pretty much. We can We can set up our audio, which all uses this kind of like layout, which is pretty neat. I do like this tablet style a bit more than the menu in Somnium, because while this is still like a tablet style where a lot of the data is like very condensed, if you've ever used like an Android phone or something, this is actually pretty reminiscent. I don't know what that does. I'm gonna just assume I don't want that enabled unless I know what it does. Snap is a camera thing. You take and share snaps and gifs with people in high fidelity, Facebook and Twitter. Before you can begin taking snaps, please choose where you'd like to save snaps on your computer. Okay. Camera view. But you can see now here there's this thing actually has visemes, so it's actually moving its mouth while I'm talking. What else can we do? Well, we can go, let's check out the menus, so we can set our controls actually. Also very reminiscent of Android devices again. I do like that actually. Let's see. VR movement, teleporting, walk, let's disable teleporting. Walking, strafing, yeah, jumping and flying. Hover when unsupported, HMD relative, yes. Which just, HMD relative just means that we're moving based on where my head is looking rather than based on where my hand is pointing. Rotation mode. Oh, okay, we gotta scroll down a bit. See, that could be made a little bit better to have like maybe like a bit of like a darkening at the bottom and at the top so that you can see that, hey, there's more there, or make this little scroll bar here more obvious. Oh, that is that's not how that's supposed to work, I'm sure. Well, let's get actually to the quick setup over here. Welcome to Overte. Let's get set up to experiment with the virtual world. First, we need to select some performance and graphics quality options. Oh no. Should have probably gone here first. Oh, it's all the way down there. Quality. What level of visual quality would you like? Remember, if you do not have a powerful computer, you may want to set this to low or medium at most. Well, I do like the slow laptop, very slow computer, average laptop, slow computer, average computer, gaming. It's like, I do like that. That's funny. It's just like gamer. So like gamer. Performance. Do you want a smooth experience, high refresh rate, or do you want to conserve power and resources, low refresh rate on your computer? No, this does not apply to virtual rate. Thank you. I was about to be like, why is it locking it to 60 FPS maximum? What should people call you? Sure. I do like this kind of like type schema. It's pretty fun. Actually, I should probably hold it like this and it would probably make it easier. Like this actually does work nicely because you're not like laser tapping. You're just like, tick, 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 like playing a cellophone. I do like that. I said continue. Can I not? Oh, do I have to first hit enter and then continue? Yeah, okay, if the keyboard's still open, it doesn't let you keep. Now you're almost ready to go. Press complete to save your setup and take a look at the other information. Kiosks after completing this wizard. Okay. Desktop, don't care. Virtual reality. They're regrouped in a tablet. You can display the tablet by clicking top button of your left controller. So yes, again, it's not symmetrical. So you have to use your left controller. I assume there might be some way to change it in the settings, but that is how it works by default. So first applications to discover. The audio applications where you can specify your input and output devices. Yeah. Avatar is where you can manage your avatar and wearables. Let's check that again. Can I change avatar again? Have we waited long enough? We can! Back to Woody. There's the avatar viewer. I assume this will pop up like a mirror. Yeah. So this basically makes the same kind of mirror copy of me, but he's at a very low frame rate compared to me. Which makes sense, because it's just to preview the avatar. Don't really need... Oh, he can't really rotate sideways. I guess this is a more constrained copy of me than the other one that I got. Actually, is he actually 3D? He is. That is actually neat. I always do like 3D mirrors because you can do stuff with them that you can't do with like 2D mirrors. The really neat thing about that is that you can, if you were to delay a visual like this, you could do really cool choreography with yourself. How do I mute myself? Let's see, is it literally just... Yeah, I mean, that works. That's intuitive. I guess that's intuitive design. Not some random button on your control. Just literally, I don't know, fucking just fucking a laser click. That's funny. I like that. That is really funny. Oh, rotating cauldron of light. There's a quick test area over there. So what we'll quickly try here in this quick test area is I'm just gonna see if I can figure out the creation tools, because if I remember correctly, this does have like, yeah, the create menu here. So let's see if we can make a cube. Oh my god, we already have made a cube. Already 10 out of 10 game. We made a cube. And what do we have to do now? We have to figure out how to delete this cube. Oh, there we go, list view. Oh, accidentally closed it. So here we have a list of all of the stuff. So if we go down here, I assume our cube will be somewhere in here. Now I can click this little button here, and now the cube is gone. We did it. We figured it out. We made a cube, and then we blendered it. So let's just walk over to the portal thing over there. Loading content. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. Whatever. We'll figure something out eventually.
There's actually people here. Let's interact with people.
But there really isn't anything good as far as I was able to find. Like,
being a normal human is boring. Be a void boy instead.
Oh, hello.
Hello there.
Also, are you in Overte first time?
Yes.
Awesome. So let me know if you'd like to see like different features and what's the game about. Or like a quick tour.
Is there a way to like toggle the mute without having to like drag this thing around and click it?
Yes. I know that there's also push to talk, but like mute toggle, we should add mute toggle. Yes. So for now you would have to script it. So.
Oh, okay. So
like,
for now, I just have to grab this thing.
yes, for now you have to toggle like that.
Oh,
Or
you
can
can't
also.
even take it.
You
It's
don't
just
have
there's
to-
just like a screen here that where it's on. Okay, I
Yes.
see.
So you don't have to click on that thing, like you can also do so on your tablet.
Oh, on the tablet. Okay.
Yes.
Would you like to load Avatar Void poster?
Oh no, don't click yes on that one.
Okay.
There are nicer avatars. So if you want
I
to
assume
look
it's
for
an
avatar-
audio. Is it an audio for like muting yourself, or?
if you open the tablet, it's on the top left on the main page.
Oh, it's on the main page. Okay. Is there any way to make the laser not hide itself instantly?
You can just hold the trigger a little bit down.
Oh, like just a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. So it's
that's
just
more like
it's just like actuates earlier than the actual click does. That's neat. That's neat. But it looks really nice so far. It's mostly intuitive. I did the most important part. I made a cube, and then I killed the cube.
Yes.
And no one had to tell me how to do it.
Yes, and you can even like sculpt in game using voxels, so kind of like in Minecraft. And it's really fun in VR that way.
One thing that I also noticed is that the tablet here, it's somewhat similar to Somnium, but with the main difference that Somnium has like their own kind of UI style, while this is very similar to like an Android phone, for example, which I think is a very good idea because everyone has used a phone pretty much. Everyone has used a phone.
That's the idea exactly with tablet. Oh, here you go.
There's a creature.
It's a tiny creature.
There's also I've also so far I have found only one bug that was pretty funny, which is in the like tablet. I went to avatars and I swapped into one of the human ones into Sean, And then I recalibrated my full body tracking, looked at that, had the mirror open for like the like duplicate mirror app, and I went back into the avatar app and I could no longer change avatar. I was stuck in Sean for like
Oh,
a few
I see
minutes,
that
and then
sometimes.
it reappeared. Because what happened is, if I clicked on an avatar, it said cancel but not confirm. It just said cancel.
Yes.
Yeah, but so far that's the only issue that I've encountered, and the
Yes.
fact that for some reason my frame rate is weirdly low.
This world is very heavy, so that
Oh
could
no,
be
even the
also why
previous one,
frame
even the
rate is low.
tutorial worlds, it's like really low, and every time I open the SteamVR overlay,
Oh,
despite it not actually lowering the resolution, right now you can see my hands probably moving a lot more smoothly.
yes.
But if I
So,
close the overlay, it goes back to being more choppy. I don't know why.
are you on Windows or Linux?
I am on Windows myself.
Oh, and what graphics card?
I'm on a 5090.
Also, what headset are you using?
I'm right now using a Quest Pro connected via Steam Link.
Oh, nice.
Pro. I guess that's pretty high resolution, right?
Hold up. Give me one moment. Let me double check so I'm not saying something stupid real quick. I'm running right now at 2204 by 2352.
Oh,
In
that's
Steam
high.
VR or where?
In Steam VR.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
that should run well. Maybe like due to it being OpenGL, maybe, but that would be
Yeah.
also unexpected.
no. If I wonder if it's OpenVR, because I'm also on a
Are
50
you still using
series card.
OpenVR?
Yeah, you're probably on OpenVR right now.
Oh,
but I'm
that
using
could be like
OpenXR.
OpenXR could probably also be a reason, because OpenXR has like a lot better support for that also.
Could be.
Because I'm running at 1.4 resolution scale right now with everything on, and I'm on a 5060 Ti.
The one thing I've noticed also is that it doesn't seem that currently face tracking is supported via OSC. Only face tracking is supported via cameras. Is that correct?
There was OSC support, but it was a bit ancient. And right now we have already pull request also by Ada to allow that.
Okay.
Yes. Oh, and with performance, I know what will also help a lot probably. So right now I'm working on finishing Vulkan renderer. So
That would be really nice. Yeah.
Yes.
Is there mirrors in this game?
Yes,
Yes,
we can
there's
make
one
one.
upstairs.
So
Okay,
there's
okay,
one
like-
upstairs, but that one upstairs can render to texture. So maybe we could go to Avatar world for a moment.
Oh yeah, sure. How do we like all go together?
Alicia added portals, so we can make a portal. Just a moment.
Okay, so portals exist here. Okay.
Just a moment. I will spawn a portal. So would you like to go to like fairy avatars or anime avatars?
Sure, let's go to the fair. I literally I looked at places before coming here for the portal, the main portal, and was like, we must stay focused. We going through this portal first.
Yes, so there is a lot of cool places to explore, but that's for later. I will also show you like in-game editing, but because it's quite friendly. Oh, hey there. Also, I will make a portal. Just a moment.
All right.
Oh, here you go.
Oh, is that already it?
Yes. So we have to walk.
Oh. I mean that was fast. Oh no, it's still loading.
Oh no, you fell through.
Oh no, I'm down here. Help!
Oh, it's fine though. You're in the water.
Oh.
I can't. Oh wait, right. It's the other button. I keep trying to press the A button rather than the B button to jump.
Oh,
How do I disable fly?
You just fly onto the floor.
Oh, you just
go
okay. So it's just physically okay. Just if grounded, disable fly. Got it.
So there is a massive selection of fairy avatars, and not only fairy, also like different kinds. I made the ones in those two columns over here, and
nice.
there's also like a lot of popular ones. Does the mirror work?
And the question is, if I now go into OBS and look at it through OBS, when I look around, yes, it works properly. Now, there's a very specific reason why I just checked that, because in Somnium, the math for the mirrors is incorrect when looking at them through a camera.
Oh.
I don't know why.
we also have some broken parts still with mirrors. So, on OpenXR, they're broken on VR headsets with content displays. For now, Vulkan Render is like most of the focus, and Ada is remaking the whole UI for Qt6. So soon there will be new UI.
Is there any way to fix the like full body tracking being delayed? Because initially, like the first time I calibrated, it was actually 1-to-1, but now it's
Oh.
like weirdly delayed.
It has some sort of filter there, so we'll have I know that there are kind of settings, but they're quite hidden. But I heard like people mentioned that it was delayed.
Ah, okay. So what else can you do here?
I wonder what that does
So
in
build
body
things,
tracking.
of course. And we have something very unique also. I will show you. So just a moment. I will make a portal to Overte Hub. So get ready for bad frame rate right now.
Oh god.
Just a moment. Let's try. Oh. Let's go.
I've been taken.
So let's go to the office. So I will show like what we mostly do in game. Let's go. Oh, and here you can go upstairs on the plank.
Oh, it's one of the yeah.
It has very high friction coefficient, so that's
Yep.
how it works. Oh, and this is over the office. It's the place like where we usually hang out, and also like anytime you'd like come join us. And we often have movie nights or stream games. Or like work on like programming things together. So there is a screen share over here. And game has like you can create kind of like web browser panels in game that are fully interactive. So this one
Oh,
is just
nice.
its session. And right now it's screen sharing because I was streaming like work on networking, on fixing some networking issues for like self-hosting servers. And
Oh, nice.
there is much cooler one over here, and this one. So this is so-called Nico. And the way it works, you will have to enter like some sort of nickname or username to try using it, and then you will be able to join.
Oh, so it's literally just a shared browser, I guess.
It's like a shared browser, but you can run anything inside. Right now it's running Firefox, but it can run like whole KDE desktop, for example, or so. And if you click on the keyboard over here, you can control it.
I can just
yes.
Oh, that's actually really nice. I assume y'all are seeing that in real time.
Yep.
Oh. Beautiful. I love that the default for Google apparently is if you type in cheese, it translated to German on this version. That's thank you, Google.
I guess it's in a German data center, so Google thinks we're German.
in the German
yeah. Käse.
Milcherzeugnis.
And we also have built-in physics engine. So, for example, try grabbing that doll behind you, like that Fumo doll on the couch.
The Fumo, the 3D scanned Fumo, the 3D scanned. There's more of them. It's an instancer.
Try throwing it at me. So those interactive avatars, because avatars also have physical controllers. So I will switch to day mode, and we can show you like how editing things works, if you'd like.
Sure. Oh,
there's a cursed skateboard script.
Oh no. It do be skateboarding. Oh no.
I'm stuck.
Infinite Fumo.
Oh, we've got a Fumo bath.
Yes. Also, let's go maybe downstairs and let's try. I will show you how to.
Fall damage. No fall damage.
No fall damage. Let's go here. Try opening Create app. Open your tablet and open Create app.
All right, one moment.
Yes.
Create. All right.
Yes. And in create app, try adding a new voxels entity.
Voxels, got it.
Voxels, yes. And there you need to choose a preset. And I'm sorry, presets are very ugly right now. Like all of them are very ugly because recently we got a PBR material support, but the presets were still presets are still not PBR, but they're just like the old ones with like just regular textures. So choose one of the presets. Check that collides checkbox, and now the question.
Collisions.
Yes, so enable collisions, and now would you like kind of like blocky, like Minecraft style voxels, or like semi-smooth ones?
Minecraft style.
Good idea. So switch from edged matching cubes to switch to edged cubic.
Edged cubic, okay.
Yes, and then click create.
I made that. I made that
Yes.
thing over there.
Let's fly there. So,
Is there an
in create
alternate
app-
way, by the way, to open the tablet if you don't have a left controller?
Oh, I have no idea. Maybe tab on the keyboard.
Yeah, tap on the keyboard.
Tab on the keyboard? Really? Oh my god, it does! It
Generally,
does!
There is quite a cursed feature there. So the game supports using just a VR headset and the keyboard without and mouse without controllers. And then you have a kind of like in game you have a mouse cursor drawn, but in 3 dimensions. So if you'd like, try in Create app, try going to Tools menu and switch to from object mode to voxel edit mode. And later
Object
we will get
voxel
more
edit.
tools. So for example, we plan to do someday like a texture paint or like light map
Yeah.
basic and others. Oh, and you created voxel.
I made a
you can try
voxel.
removing it if you'd like. If
How
you
do I
hold
remove
grab,
it?
if you hold grab and then click, you will remove it.
Oh, okay,
you
that's pretty. It's so you can like.
Yes, and you can dig holes in there, or for example, you can press and hold a trigger somewhere, and then you can kind of paint with voxels if you press and hold trigger and move your hand.
Damn it.
Oops.
There we go. That's beautiful, and I can just. Oh, and it's constrained, so you can't actually like mess up. It just lines it. I assume if I do this now, I can make a
Yes, exactly. I added that
Smooth.
like somewhere like 2 years ago, I think. It's really fun to play with.
Yeah, no, that is pretty neat. Does this add new entities, or is this then all one entity?
That's a single entity, and the nicest part is a single draw call on this, so it's very performant that way.
What's the like smallest size of one voxel currently?
There is no limit. It will be microscopic. Like at some point you will hit like floating point limit, but generally like floating point like issues are quite good. So there are some absolutely massive worlds. A friend with like with like tiny Avali avatar was misbehaving once, and we made like a bird cage to put him in. Surprisingly, even though voxels are concave, so normally they shouldn't work as dynamic objects, they do, because they're built like as a kind of like a compound of convex objects. And
Oh wait,
that,
if they're a compound of convex object, does it mean that they actually have convex collisions rather than mesh collisions? Oh,
yes,
that's nice. That's nice.
and you can do very cool things due to that, because that means they can be dynamic, and due to that you can, for example, they can be also modified by script engine. So for example, you can make a castle, and you can make like destructible castle walls that when they like fall apart they will like crumble, and use physics engine for that.
Can a voxel have extra data? Like, for example, could you make a voxel-based snake with voxel-based food that the
Yes.
snakes eats to get long? Oh, that sounds
Yes,
hilarious.
very easy. So the way you would do that, you would make like 2 overlapping entities, because one voxel entity is one mesh. It can have like only 3 materials. It can. I will show you in a moment, like in a like materials demo with those. But then the way you do it is like, for example, snake would be like different voxel to have different color, and then main like obstacles or so will be different, and snake food would be also different one. And that would work. You just have like volumetric display then.
Like language-wise, is it custom language or is it like
No,
C or something?
so it's I have to say, like you may not like it, but the base one is earlier it was Qt script, but that was updated, so we had to replace it. And Qt script was kind of like very old JavaScript dialect.
Oh, okay.
Now, a friend made like script isolation PR, and based on that, I added V8 script engine. So that means, like by default, you can run JavaScript. But the nice part about V8 is that accidentally we also got WebAssembly support. And you can run
Yeah.
anything that compiles to WebAssembly. So, for example, Rust, C, whatever. Ada made like a feature that it can render to textures. And then we got a Doom engine, we got Doom to run inside script engine, and it was rendering to texture, and it was fully playable with like injecting keys. It only couldn't output audio yet because I'm still working on like audio scriptable audio emitters. The way Overte works also, so it's kind of like mostly like a game engine, and a lot of those things you see on the tablet, those applications are not hard coded, but they're just like separate scripts, and then every script has its own virtual machine for itself. They are separated, of course, and sandboxed, and you can see on the tablet in like more apps. You can see that there are extra applications there. The whole game is like developed now by a community. So just people who use it, friends are adding features, and it's really nice that way. And it's run by a non-profit foundation. So Julian started the foundation. Overte is a non-profit foundation, and like members are elected by foundation members, or like board members are elected, yes, by foundation members. Like spiral.
Wait, that was polylines.
Yes.
Damn.
That's beautiful.
And I guess they're laggy because they're entities synchronized from Australia.
Yes, from Australia.
The literally other side of the planet.
And a pretty bad internet connection also. So yes.
Oh, yeah. It keeps stopping for a bit.
Yes, sometimes. If you open more app, check it out. There is like an avatar grab there. So try installing that one, and you will see something very silly. Oh, hi Brain.
Come on, there we go.
So now try grabbing me by the backpack. It
Oh.
works. Yes. So Ada also made this application.
That's neat. That's pretty simple. Also, that's like yeah.
Yes.
Also, it seems to be. Does it actually parent, or is this just positionally like?
Parents. It parents.
Okay, nice.
Yes. So then there is no lag when grabbing.
Yeah.
Oh, so we'll show you something very cool. So try grabbing the handles and like move. Ada made an avatar posing script, and those are like inverse kinematics targets. So you can just grab them.
Oh, nice.
And you can see
Do
the
they do
latest,
rotate? Oh, they do
because-
rotations. Wait, who is processing? Are they themselves processing the avatar movements? Because it seems delayed.
Yes.
So the way it works, it is very different than other games because here, inverse kinematics are calculated on Ada's side. So then when you move the handle, the information needs to go to Australia, and then it needs to go back.
Yeah, and it
again,
needs to go back. Yeah.
Yes. But that way it's like very efficient. You can have a lot of avatars in game without a performance drop. Vulkan is like a lot of easier to work with than OpenGL because on OpenGL things just don't work if you do something incorrectly, and Vulkan has so-called validation layers, and with those they point out like oh yes, they point
I'm
out
slightly
like,
distracted.
yes. So they point out like every issue to you that way, and it's a lot easier. And of course, performance with draw calls is impressive. So the way I do it there is like I build like command buffers for one frame, and the GPU is already rendering another frame at the same time. So then it's quite nice that way. Also, we should go. Oh, so we should go. I will show you something very interesting. So we also support like different acoustic properties. So let's go this way.
Ooh.
Oh, I have found an exploit that is hilarious.
Yes.
So you know how you accelerate when you're flying?
Yes. Oh, wow. fast.
That is beautiful.
So this place is like a developer meeting place over here. So
Ooh, nice.
every Saturday we have event. We have developer meeting, and it's for everyone. So it's not just for developers, but for everyone who is interested in Overte's development, what things are happening there. It's that kind of thing. So this place holds a dark secret underneath. The dark secret is like for demonstrating audio zones. So if we go this way, I will show you something silly. And notice acoustic changes here.
Yeah, reverb zone.
Yes, whatever you do, never go into that circle over there.
Why not?
Let's leave this cursed place. So let's go. Oh, I will also show you. Let's go to the island over there. Oh, to this one.
Oh my god, somebody built a castle.
Oh, there's another hole here.
Island. And that part is under construction still. And here there are different kinds of materials that we recently got. Thanks to Sam.
Oh, that heavily reminds me of Second Life. Like it also had showcases like this.
The whole game is like very heavily like Second Life inspired. But the difference is that it's like full open source, and you can just run your own servers, and so you don't have to pay like fortune to Linden Labs. Here you just need a Raspberry Pi 3, for example, or like any like old PC, and you run servers.
Oh, does it support ARM?
Yes, of course.
Nice.
Both client and server. Julian did a lot of work on like packages and like ARM builds and so on.
Yeah, if you have an ARM machine that supports proper like OpenGL embedded systems, then you can even run the client.
So we can run it on Steam frames. What you're saying?
Yeah,
yes, easily.
it should have Steam frame support before the Steam frame came out.
Even nicer thing about avatars is that they use open standards. So avatar is just in a GLTF format, and it loads that directly without importing, so anything like that.
Is there a way to enable like nameplates or like names in general or something in world?
Yes, and right now a friend is working on improving like a name tags script, but you can do two things. So you can either click on someone with laser, so that you can see their name, or you can go to more apps and install name tags script. But it has like a bit of performance issues. So.
Oh, okay. So it's more. It'll just click on people.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
It would be neat if you're like hovering the laser so that it always shows. It would be neat if it just showed names when you're just swiping over someone.
Yes, it would be useful that way.
But yeah, thank you for showing me around.
Thank you for trying.
How do I leave?
You open the tablet, and then in tablet you click menu.
Or you just take your headset off.
File and exit or quit.
I mean, yeah. I obviously I can just Steam VR exit. What do you say?
It'll
File
switch to desktop mode.
Oh, file and quit.
Oh, bye.
Bye.